question, the red graph was g of x, and it asked us to sketch the graph of negative g of x. So I look what's different, there's a negative sign. I look and I see that that negative sign was outside. Everything outside is vertical. Everything inside is going to be horizontal. So vertical, I say vertical reflection in my head, I'm like, oh yeah, that's up and down. Vertical is up and down. That helps me remember that. If I'm going up and down, that means I'm going to go over the x-axis. So now that I have that in my head, I took those two key red points, and I'm like, I've got to reflect them over the x-axis. I drew the blue points. I made a note, and sometimes on the exam they look for this. Did you cross the two graphs at the x-intercept? Because if you flip over the x-axis, it should make sense that that's the only point that stays exactly where it is. Everything else would get flipped to a new spot. And then domain and range was asked in this question. And both of them are everything, and I wrote it in both different forms. So you have your questions that you can circle up at the top there.